Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how you can make money online over and over again. It's perfect for anyone who has never made any money online. No matter if you don't have that much technical skill, no matter if you don't have any money, no matter where you live, you can make money from anywhere in the world. I'm gonna walk you through step by step from start to finish, so that you can start making money online if you follow me every second. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Okay, so guys, firstly we're gonna pick the products from Amazon, and we'll promote the products to millions of people, and when people make a purchase then you'll make a commission from that. If we can reach millions of people, that means you can basically make money every day. You can make up to $500 to $1,000 if you follow me every second. Now I want you to come over to Google and search for Amazon Associates. Now click this first link, Amazon.com Associates Central. And from there it'll bring you on this page. So all you gonna do, just sign up, then recommend products to people, and earn money. So I'm gonna show you how to do that, each and everything in this video. So make sure you watch to the end, and hit that like button, and do subscribe to my channel if you want more videos like this. Now guys, to create an account, simply click this sign up button. Now I want you to click here this button, create your Amazon account. Now here you'll put your name, email, password, re-enter that password, and click create your Amazon account. Now they'll send you an OTP to verify your email, so go to your email and copy the OTP. Then paste it here, and click verify. Now here you'll type your name, then your address, your city, country, and your phone number, then click this button next. Now here you'll need to enter your website link or a mobile app link, so don't worry guys, no matter if you don't have a website or app. So all you're gonna do is, you're gonna add your YouTube channel link here. Now to get your YouTube channel link, I want you to click here to your profile picture. Then click your channel. Now this URL is your YouTube channel link, so copy this link, and paste it here as a website link, and click add. Now not only you'll add your YouTube channel link, you'll add all of your social media profile links, like Facebook page, your Instagram link, or any other social media link where you want to promote Amazon products. So after that you'll click this next button. Now here click no, and finally click confirm. Now here it says to type something as your store ID. You could put anything, like your brand name, or just put your name. Now here it says what are your websites or mobile apps about, so you can type something like social media influencer. Now here choose any of these, it doesn't matter. Then check mark a few of them like that. Now here choose any of these, same as this one as well. Now here it says how do you drive traffic to your website. Let's checkmark to social networks, SEO, blogs and other. Now here choose any of these, here as well. How do you usually build links, HTML editor. How many visitors, select any of these. Now here choose this one. And here choose this one, so it doesn't matter what you choose. Now type these characters into this field. Then check mark here, and finally click finish. Now here it says congrats. Now you can enter your payment and tax information, or you can add it later. So guys, as you see, this is a brand new account. Now to get the affiliate link, I want you to hover over here product linking, then you'll click product link. If you click here, you'll see all of the categories that you can choose, so let's click go. Now here you see, it shows the products randomly. Now to promote a product, what you wanna do, you wanna click this button get link. Now here you'll click text only. Then you'll click here short link, and this is your affiliate link, which you're gonna copy and promote. Now the thing is, how actually you're gonna promote Amazon products and make money from that. Let me show you how. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can promote Amazon products through YouTube short videos. Let me show you something. So as you see, these shorts videos are getting thousands to millions of views in just a short time. You is that, you don't have to make any video. Without making any video, I'm gonna show you how exactly you can do that for free, and make a good amount of money from Amazon affiliate. So now to get a video, I want you to search here on YouTube. You can search anything that's your favorite, like gym, food, travel, or anything that you like. So I'm gonna search for something that is funny, maybe funny dog or something like that. Now what you wanna do, you wanna click here filters, and you wanna filter your search by Creative Commons. So now guys, these videos you actually can re-upload on YouTube, without getting any copyright issues. So now I want you to pay a serious attention here. Simply re-uploading these videos is not actually gonna work, cause these videos are not short or under 1 minute. So we need to make it a vertical 1 minute short video. So choose a video that you think people are gonna love. Now you'll click share, and make a copy of this URL. Now I want you to come over to Google, and search for YouTube to MP4. Now open one of these websites as you like. I'm gonna